Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see a beautiful game called PUBG Mobile, which is very familiar if you're interested in the action sort of games. So I have just downloaded this. If you haven't have this game on your mobile, you can go to Play Store and you can search for this. And this is a little bit high in data size. It's almost 700 MB, and I have installed this. Let's see how we can create an account. So there is not much process in creating this account and playing this game, and it's very easy. You can see it's a very popular game. It's already got 10 million downloads with 4.4 rating. So just I'll open this to create an account, and there are two options actually. We can create the account with the Facebook, or we can just click on guest and we can log in. So it's very easy, and I'll drop the link of this game for the Play Store in the description. If you want, you can click and download if you have Wi-Fi, because it's large in size. It's 700 MB, I guess. So it's loading. Yes, PUBG Corporation. Okay, this is the first screen what you'll see in the game, and we need to have an account for this. So what I'll do is I'll click on guest because I want to log in as a guest. If you want to click on Facebook to have your Facebook profile account, means you can log in with your Facebook. So for now I'll just go by guest. So you need to accept their end user agreement, so I'll accept that. Once you click on the guest, it's loading. You can click on OK, thanks for your support. Okay, and then I need to enter my nickname here. So choose a name and click on this plus symbol here. Then you can click on create. You can choose the gender here, whether you're male or female. The character means the playing character. So for now male is okay for me. The name is already taken, so you should have a unique name. So better you give a unique name and click on create, because already there are huge number of players. The usernames you want maybe not available at the start, but you need to try with different unique names. So choose a character and click on OK. Okay, and let's start. I'll close this. Okay, that's fine. Day one. Okay, I have got 100 rewards, and you can click on start, and that's it. Here now you can continue with your gameplay. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day and enjoy the play.